Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network. In this video we're going to do a quick throttle reset, throttle relearn in this Porsche Cayman 981. The vehicle that you're in, it does a lot of different Porsches. We just so happen to be in a Porsche Cayman 981. We're using the iCars.por version 3.0 tool, which is available at Diagnostic World. I'll pop the link in the description below this video. But it's a fantastic little kit this, so maybe you've just bought the vehicle and you want to reset the throttle, because the throttle can adapt over time to certain people's driving styles, and if you wanted to sort of reset and recalibrated, then this is how to do it. So we've got this tool plugged into the diagnostic port. We're going to click on to service. We're going to go to ETC, that's electronic throttle control or calibration, Porsche. So we're going to select our vehicle, which is a Cayman 981. You can see it works on a huge range of Porsches. Okay, throttle adaptation. So conditions: engine off, ignition on. All right, so engine off, ignition on, accelerator pedal not pressed, parking brake engaged. Okay, so the parking brake is now engaged, and I'm going to click F1 OK. So it's given me lots of temperatures, and I'm just going to click on to F1 OK, application complete, F1 OK, turn ignition off, OK, and there it is. It's done. It doesn't really give you any sort of on-screen messages to say now it's been done or anything like that. It just sort of goes through the motion, and what you can do is you can go back in, like I say, you could try it again if you wanted to. So the engine is off, but the ignition is on. We'll just turn that radio off a bit. And then accelerator pedal not pressed, which is not. Parking brake is engaged, F1. It gives us temperatures. And then we go to F1 OK, application complete. So F1 OK there, turn ignition off. OK, throttle adaptation. There we go. So it's just going through it time and time again, but once you've done it and once you've had the application complete, then that will show you that it has. I'm coming out of it now because I've got the ignition off. That's why it's telling us that. But that will essentially do it for you. And as I say, it does a lot of different vehicles as well. You can see on screen here the list of Porsches that it will do. Okay, so that's all I really wanted to show you in this video. Just a quick throttle reset. We are getting a battery low message on this car. It needs to be charged. It hasn't been driven for a while. But if you are interested in this tool, then please make sure you go to Diagnostic World. There are fakes, there are clones. They can damage your vehicle, so it's best to go through the official outlets. The link in the description will take you directly to the official and genuine product. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.